Hello everyone, welcome to Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the InvArch and mainly on two things. The first is about the InvArch, what they do, and how they have the innovation about the Multi-sig account. The second one is actually related to the InvArch, like they have a banner NFT, and I'm going to show you how you can set it up on the Signal. And so if you are new to this channel, this is Web3 Education Investment. So I just share my personal experience. Subscribe if you don't want to miss any future videos. And this is not really a recommendation. So it's just share the findings for the educational purpose. And so InvArch is a parachain in Polkadot, and their canary network, Tinknet. The Tinknet, they just win the slot in the Kusama Cardano not too long time ago. And so the InvArch, what they are doing is IP in the Web3, so intellectual property on the Web3. So if you have NFT, for example, right, and how you can have the IP of your NFT, that is just a file, and also IP tokens as well. They have IP tokens, IP file, IP sets, IP licenses. So this is in their InvArch protocol. And so I will not go into all the detail, but generally, like, you can explore it by yourself. Just click learn more. And so I will just mainly talk about the new things they just post today. So they just post about the innovation in the Multi-sig account. And so a lot of you probably know that, or maybe you have never heard about the Multi-sig account. Multi-sig account is a special type of account. And so you could imagine, like, if you have a group of people who will manage the the treasury, right? Any of you cannot simply just sign and move the fund. There would be a threshold. For example, we have 10 people, and if we say if 5 of us sign that, then it will be a successful transaction. And so that would be the Multi-sig account. And how people use that, for example, some big parachain like Pioneer Finance, they started with Multi-sig wallet, and then now they fully decentralized that, but that wallet is managed by their team, and also the leading team in other Web3 Foundation, those kind of organizations. And so you can see this would be very useful now if you need to manage something, right? Manage your treasury. But the InvArch, they innovate the Multi-sig into the better tool. So the innovation they have is they basically find some issue about this Multi-sig. And so the issue is here, a user cannot be replaced or removed without the address being changed. So if you have a Multi-sig account and we have 10 addresses, and those 10 people, right, with those 10 addresses, they will manage this Multi-sig account. Now, if one of that, we want to remove that, well, it will be difficult actually. You may need to recreate another Multi-sig account, and you have to move all the funds to the new Multi-sig account, which is not very convenient. And so how they solve the problem is use their new protocol. So they do have this InvArch protocol, and with that protocol now, they actually have the Multi-sig as an IP set ID. And so this is just the address will never change, so you don't need to change the Multi-sig address. And so if someone need to be moved, then how can you do that? So actually, how to manage that IP set ID, they have their IP token. And so IP token is just like the ownership token for that for that account, right? So if you have 4 people, for example, or here this 3 people. So if you have 3 people, then you just give 33% of that token to each of them. So each of them they will share like 33%, and then that's just their like voting rights, right? So if 2 of them vote yes, they sign the signature, then it will be passed. And so now if someone need to get removed, then what should you do? You don't need to touch this initial like IP set ID, because that's just the address we created and we don't want to change that. However, you just need to have the guy like send his token, IP set token. You just remove that, you send it to the other 2 people, and then they will have 50%. So this is how you would just how you can manage this multi-sig. And actually, if you could imagine, this is just like a DAO, right? It's a DAO, like decentralized like organization we have, and that's why like the InvArch itself like it's also related to NFT and also DAO, and the IP. So you can see that NFT, DAO, and IP. So that's what they are doing, and so they have the InvArch like banner. This is a NFT on the Singular, and I would like to really appreciate the virtual friend PLX5 who sent it to me today. We just met virtually on Twitter, so we never see each other. But I'm so glad like in the Polkadot, in the Dot Sama ecosystem, everyone they are friendly. So he is willing to send me the banner, the InvArch banner. So I didn't join the Discord that early, so I didn't have it. But since now he or she sent one to me, and so I'm going to show you. Like I just figured out how to use this banner on the Singular. So I'm going to show you with the tutorial, this tutorial here. So to set it up, you can go to your Singular, and since this one is on the Remark 1, so it's not migrated to Remark 2 yet. And so I will just choose Remark 1, and I will edit the identity, and then just go to the end. There's a background, and you can change. So I'm going to choose this InvArch banner. Oh, actually, I can select my user picture, so I'm going to use this one. Really appreciate WAG Media. And so now we will just set the identity. Put the password, sign, and this should set up the banner for your Singular profile. Of course, you can choose any NFT and put it there. But I just want to show you how you can do that and how it looks like. This should be cool. Let's just wait a little bit second, and hopefully it will be done soon. So again, like really appreciate PLX5. So who is my Twitter friend now, and just send me this one. Okay, so you can see that now. So I successfully set up the banner, and I also have the profile picture from, this is the one I got from WAG Media, so really appreciate. Okay, so now I can use both of them. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Just go over the InvArch and also go over their innovation in the Multisig account, and also their banners, how to set up the banner on the Singular. Thanks for watching. Bye.